Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can use AI features in Google Meet so that you will be able to improve productivity. So the first thing that you will have to do is of course start your meeting if you haven't started any meeting meeting yet, and just wait for it to load. And once you're inside, what you will have to do is you will click the activities section right here. So you should see it. So once you see the activities, what you will have to do is you will just have to click AI tools, and basically you will just have to click that. And again, you will just have to choose the AI feature that you want, such as auto summarization, live transcription, or meeting highlights. And then the AI will run in real time and provide outputs for your meeting. And by the way, you have to make sure that your AI features are enabled in your Google Workspace settings, because free accounts may not have access to this. And yeah, that's basically just it. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.